Good morning, everybody. We have a tropical storm forming in the Gulf of Mexico, right off the coast. And I brought my tablet so you can kind of see. Aimed right for us. So, I'm going to just do a little vlog of the day and today and tomorrow, events as they occur, just to see what happens. Should be interesting. It's not good having the dogs barking like that in the background, but I may have to shoot this again. Talk to you later. Bye. And as far as hurricane preparedness is concerned, we had an umbrella was on the table. It's now stored here. The ficus, it may just stay right there. Of course, you got furniture out here. Dogs. They're going to have fun with this. Other furniture. I'm not sure what to do. We will play it by ear. It's very early on in this storm process, and there's just not much happening yet. I hear thunder right now, off in the distance. It must be out in the Gulf. That's very interesting. So, do I get worried about these events? I really don't. So, my wife does. Wendy gets upset. But I've ridden through many of these hurricane and scares, and we'll just see. I think it's going to be rain for the most part. We will find out. Rain's good in a sense and can be flooding in another sense. So, let's stay tuned. Let's see what happens. It's a wind chime that's out on the patio, and you got bees that live in the wind chime, and they can maybe feel the storm coming, and that may be what they're doing there. Buzzing around. This blue sky here is literally the edge of the storm. It's just slowly coming in on this side over here. Look at this big tree. They're always afraid it's going to fall on us, but it won't. All right, let's see how we're doing on this storm here. Oh, it's interesting. Corpus Christi is out of the cone of uncertainty. Imagine that. How'd that happen? Is that going to ruin my video? I'm not going to let it happen. We're going to be just fine. We moved our furniture over into this area. Some ones we can move easily. And turn some stuff over. Moved some of the stuff in here. Wind's picking up a little bit. The dogs aren't liking this very much. They can't go out and do their business. He wants something, I don't know what it is. He wants Hanna to go away. But Hanna's not going away. All of a sudden, we have a squall coming through with some pretty decent rain. This is what it does. It comes and goes. Oh, here's a look out the front door. Our neighbors across the street boarded up. Guess he thought it was going to be worse.
Just wanted to reassure the public that the city and the county have done.
And pay attention to that movement. You can start to pick up and detect that southerly turn is starting to happen. Bill was just talking about the pressure that's dropping in the center of the storm that would support 90-mile-per-hour winds. That's important.
Kids, very full here. This is all tidal water. Tumbleweed.
Good morning, everybody. This is Monday, July 27th. We've just had a weekend of a hurricane, and this is the aftermath part of it. We went through it okay. There's just no damage at our house. I had a couple of shingles fall off. That was about it, but it was a good, pretty large tidal surge that hit Corpus Christi, even though the eye of the storm was way south of us, down near on Padre Island between Port Mansfield and North Padre Island. So it was just a big storm, and it pushed up a lot more water than they figured. So some damage in town. I'll try to show you some of those pics. Anyway, around here we had a lot of wind. Showed some of that earlier, and a little bit of rain, not a whole lot here. Didn't flood. You'll see from the picture, you saw the pictures of the roads and some of the different things. And that was from the tidal surge. It was like up to 4, 5, 6 feet, which is pretty good for a storm like that. Nobody was predicting that storm would be that big. So earlier in this video, I said, oh, we're not going to get much, a little wind, a little rain. That's what they were telling us at the time. And but you never know. Hurricanes are unpredictable. So I bet we made it through fine, and hope you enjoy this video. Tried to do it as best I could. Keep watching. Thank you very much. I'm going to show you around what we had here as far as debris, and I'll show you that right now. In fact, I'll keep talking as I get up, show you the kind of things I'm talking about here that happened here on our patio. Stuff like this. This is from the trees. Right now, it's even raining. And there's leaves. We've cleaned a lot of this up, put our furniture back out, and everything's pretty much back to normal. So that's about it from Corpus Christi, Texas. It did tear up our pier here that's nearby. Tore the end of it off. There was a T at the end of the Bob Hall Pier, and it tore it off. And that was kind of drastic. And it tore up the steps going up to the pier. So I have some pictures of that. So thanks for watching, everybody. This is the aftermath of Hurricane Hanna that hit on July 25th. Oh, and I wanted to mention too, our power went out on Saturday night about midnight and didn't come on until about 5:30 yesterday afternoon, which is Saturday. So we were without power for 18 hours here at the house. But there's still people in Corpus that are out of power. So talk to you later. Bye.